Welcome to Friday Frameworks, the podcast where we break down actionable strategies for your business, one framework at a time. I'm your host, George Mayfield, business advisor, keynote speaker, and your guide to unlocking business success. This month, we're in the middle of our 7-part series, Laying the Foundation. Today's episode is series 5 of 7, and we're focusing on an important topic for manufacturers of all sizes: leveraging automation to enhance manufacturing productivity. Specifically, we'll highlight cost-effective automation methods that even small businesses can adopt. If you're ready to transform your productivity with smart automation tips that fit any budget, stay tuned. This is the podcast for you. Back when I was younger, I worked at a machine shop during the summer at a manufacturing plant where processes were largely manual. I remember one team member, Mike, who would spend hours meticulously inspecting every single component. He was meticulous, but it was time consuming, and he could only fix one part at a time. Fast forward several years, I worked for a small manufacturer that also made a similar product. They implemented a simple automated inspection system. Nothing fancy, just a cost-effective tool to scan and flag defects. The result? They saved thousands of work hours annually and reallocated those hours towards innovation and growth. The lesson? Automation doesn't have to mean investing in robots or turning your factory into a sci-fi movie. Smart, cost-effective solutions are available for every business, even yours. So here's what you need to leverage automation for better manufacturing productivity, even on a small budget. Did you know that many automation tools don't require a major upfront investment? Tools like conveyor systems or automated quality control cameras can be added incrementally and scaled as your business grows. You will get unmatched consistency and fewer errors if you use automation for repetitive tasks like material handling or product assembly. When machines manage the monotony, human workers can focus on creativity and innovation. How do you get quick results in quality control? Implement an entry-level inspection system. These systems can catch errors faster and more accurately than any human eye, and they're surprisingly budget-friendly these days. Would you rather spend hundreds on overtime wages fixing production errors or invest in a low-cost automated scheduling system? A good scheduling tool optimizes your production floor and streamlines resource allocation in real time. Training employees for hours on manual processes or teaching them to operate semi-automated systems. The ROI on training and automation often pays for itself quickly in both productivity and morale. Automation isn't about replacing people. It's about empowering your team, freeing up time for growth-focused activities, and minimizing inefficiencies. Whether you're a small machine shop or a larger manufacturing plant, cost-effective automation is within your reach. Want to explore tools and approaches tailored to your manufacturing needs? Visit me at imgeorgemayfield.com today. You'll find resources, strategies, and tools to help you integrate automation seamlessly into your business. Thanks for tuning into this week's episode of Friday Frameworks. Don't forget to join us next Friday, where we'll be sharing insights on creating a culture of continuous improvement. Until then, keep laying that foundation, and remember, success starts with strategy.